Today is cruising day. No ports today. So we're getting ready to head out to eat some breakfast. And guess what, friends? We're going to do like we always do. And we taking y'all right along with us. So come on, let's go.
The doors have just opened for Kitchen Nightmares. Yes, it's our cooking game show inside Studio B. That is our ice rink on deck number 4, Mischief. And we're going to kick off in 30 minutes time and the doors are right now.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Zoltar, the great gypsy, at your service. Listen carefully. It is better to keep your mouth shut and be thought a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. And also, my friend, it is wise to be taking good advice when you hear it, no? Return to Zoltar, and I will give you more words of wisdom.
I'm not sure what I'm going to eat today, but let's figure it out. Here we go.
Yeah. All right.
How much more time do you need?
That time is enough. We can prepare.
You need all.
We'll be okay.
You need all 4 minutes. You do not need all 4. Thank you very much.
All right. There's still 4 minutes on the clock. So this side, while we have our dishes ready, you might want to think about those last-minute garnishes. Remember, the judges will eat with their eyes first.
Can I go for a
Make sure
smoke
you
or
take a look
something?
at those. Any final garnishes you'd like to do while you still have time? Now's the time to do it. Although they look beautiful.
What are these?
Those are. If you could just drop that into the chocolate, that'd be great. What is that?
I don't know. Try one.
No, those are crushed chocolate chip cookies.
No, they're not. Try one.
I don't know what
Would you like
they're
Simeon to
doing.
try one?
Yeah.
Simeon.
Right. Well,
Go!
no, let's follow like cleanliness. Look, I take all my OPP trainings. Look at me being clean. I'm not going through 2020 again. Chocolate chip cookies, crushed up.
Oh, wow.
Never down with that, man.
3 minutes. 3 minutes, chefs. 3 minutes. Oh, wow. This looks nice, actually. All right. Simeon, do you want to take over this one here?
Sure. We're getting the appetizers sent over to the table. So now our chef is at the bar. And look and see. I'm not sure what everyone's laughing at.
Okay, we'll start. Omar, explain your dish.
We have a grilled shrimp.
You're not even sure because you didn't do it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
A grilled shrimp, drizzled with the churros dressing.
With sriracha?
Dressing, yeah.
Yeah, and what's the name of the dish?
It's a grilled shrimp.
The grilled shrimp. Okay, how original. Okay. Do we have cutlery for the judges?
Cutlery.
Like this is again. All right, just gentlemen. It looks like there's 3 shrimp in there. You can take a shrimp's tail and enjoy each one while we try and find cutlery on board the biggest ship in the world.
I don't even know.
Did you try the first one? Yes. All right. Now you're going to try the second one here. What is, chef? Explain your salad.
That's a house